did he live? Dad, what building should he live in? Maybe he could plant a tree here. Let's put you in there. Where should the big fat guy live? Where should that big fat guy live? Do we need these two signs? Do we need these two signs, Daddy? Oh, Mr. Johnson has two big cranes. He has he's in charge of all the cranes. These are all cranes. Daddy, look at all the cranes he has to drive in one day. To get to construction site and home. Come on, my boy, or you stay